So I got a question here. It's when you have an injury, but you heal up enough to go back to work, do you still get a settlement? And so that question really depends on how well you healed up. For example, if you have a situation where your injury has gone completely away, you don't have any residual functional impairment, you don't have any work restrictions, and you've gone back to work full duty, you may not necessarily have a large settlement because you don't have any permanent disability, you don't have any more future medical needs, there's nothing left to do. In a lot of cases, though, people actually go back to work, but they still have functional limitations. They still have problems. They still have pain. They still are unable to do certain job functions, so they have work restrictions. And in those cases, just because you go back to work does not mean you're not going to get a settlement. Of course, every case is different. So depending on the type of insurance company and employer, you may be asked to potentially sign a voluntary resignation if they want to buy out your future medical, for example. However, in most cases, if you are back to work and you're just receiving a settlement that's a permanent disability award, you can actually go back to your job, you'd still receive a settlement, and there's no issue.